Mama's big bowl of lunch today is a delicious salad. I've got tabbouli as the base, which you can see there. It's leftover from Easter lunch. Super excited. It's already got olive oil and lemon juice and spices on it. I've got some high protein cottage cheese here, a quarter of an onion, a boiled egg, 2 pieces of chicken schnitzel, this beautiful green pumpkin from my friend's Papul's garden. She gave me a quarter of it last week. We've got a whole avocado, some leftover baked carrots that were in the fridge, and half a papaya. So I'm just gonna dig straight in. I'm so hungry. Oh, and just a warm cup of water, just to help me digest while I'm eating. I always eat my salads with a fork and a spoon just because it's super easy to like scoop it all up. So I'll start with the tabbouli and the high protein cottage cheese. I'll take a bite of the chicken schnitzel. Bite of the onion. Some avocado. All those flavors, so delicious. Carrot. I eat the skin of my pumpkins. Organically grown in an old man's backyard, just perfect. And just a bite of the papaya skin. Seeds are great for getting parasites out of your belly, skin, heaps of antioxidants and vitamins. So good. And then always some hot water. Oh, feels so warm in my chest. Just to help digest as you're eating, to prevent bloating. I'll do one more bite. Got boiled egg. The yolks of these eggs are really orange. When we fry them up, we get them from the local farmers. We buy them in bulk. Another mouthful of tabbouli. Avocado. Another schnitzel. Here's crumb I make in bulk and I store it in the freezer. Some more onion. High protein cottage cheese. Oh, baby's awake. I got the little one. She wants to eat while I eat. And this is Mama's healthy lunch. Quick leftovers from the fridge, easy to make, easy to put together, delicious to eat.